Hello and welcome back to our series. Now we will read graph later because it is on complete series. On it should be on complete series. This is good to study that. I will make only one video extra in graph also, but we will make this complete series in graph. But now let's see this. Run this. I have this of checkbox and same as I have run this. I will make this same component here to where is this file, and I will make this component here same like this window. Let's not make this, and I have this window, and where that has been gone, next window we should have this. Means I have two windows, and one is checkbox and radio button, and I want to add this one button here, and I will set this is checkbox and radio button, radio, as I will say radio, and I will make it a radio. Let's make this column row 2 and see this. When I click this radio, I should go to that window where radio buttons are held. Now here we can define, we have to do something. We have to import OS. This is inbuilt library in Python, and we have to import some other, that is import, and we will import here system, system. Now I will define some program define, and I will define where it is radio, and radio we have to write os.system, and we have to pass here the name of the file. I will see that name. This is radio button.py. This is the file name. Where how can I select the radbtn.py? Where is radbtn.py? Let's run and see if it works or not. Yes, we have got this value here. Here I will add same to this, and look at this. This is unresponding because this next window is moving. We can destroy this window also. Now you can see this here. If I make this, it will again be responsive. Make this. Now where it is, and we can simply destroy that window dot destroy. Let's save and run it. Radio button, it should, let's see if it has destroyed that previous, but it is not destroying that previous window. Why it is not, but it can destroy. It should be like this. We have get this window, and I want to make this in radio 2, and let's copy and paste it here, and this is row 2, and this is check, and I will say this check, and I will define check also here. Same here, I will import, sorry for this, we does not use here, and I will import, sorry, that's why yes, system. Now we have to make this as like the something I have to make here is OS dot system bracket. I have to pass their checkbox dot py. Let's close that windows, previous windows. Here are Python button. Here is no thing here. It is destroying. After that I should, yes, it is destroying. After that I should destroy first. Here it should destroy because it is running up to this. This programming is running up to when we will make this here. Save this, both should be saved so that we can run easily. Let's run it, and if I click this, it has been removed from here. Let's minimize and see if it has been removed. Yes, it has been removed. Find here, also not find here. And here is button check. If we click here, it is giving us radio and check and radio check. This is in when you can make in login form, and when user login, this can be go to next window. But in coming video we will make in same window this how we can make in this window, and we can run two window here. I will show this in this video. You would not get that in any tutorials maybe, but you can get here. So please watch that. It would be very interesting to watch that, and we will soon start our project series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you need any personal project, and you can contact me in below email I have posted in previous video. Thank you, and I will post in this videos.